Bad truck. Bad truck. Ooh. Hey, look at that. There you go. First run. Break it, break it, break it.
Oh, no, that's just funny.
What?
You got stuff.
Bad truck. Bad truck. Ooh. Hey, look at that. How do you think you did?
I did great.
You think so?
Yep.
14, I believe.
14?
Yeah.
Something like that. I know it's a low number. It's not a real big one.
But I'm pretty sure it's 14.
Okay.
No. 13. The other one, that plastic one.
The plastic one was 13. 14. So this one's a 15.
That one's
15.
I don't remember.
Yep. The plastic one was 1 tooth lower than that.
Stamped on it somewhere.
Yeah, this is a 15 then. If the plastic one is 14, it came with it.
Oh,
by the way, don't put that fucking piece of plastic thing on a brushless motor. No.
Never. It lasts about 2 seconds.
Yeah. Okay, so how did we break it?
Yeah. It took me about 5 seconds and it was done.
Fucker stood right up on end, hit a dirt pile, and the next thing we heard was and that was it. Alright, so here we go. Got the slipper clutch right there, which is unadjustable. That's a fail. Alright, but we're going to take the top of this off and see what got chewed up inside for the second time. Ring gear doesn't look bad. Oh. Well. Looks like your ring gear is actually not bad. So it's all them gears on the inside.
It's the spider gears inside.
Spider gears inside the diff.
Yep.
Yeah, these are all good.
Yeah. All good.
I don't see. I mean, nothing's jumping out at me, Larry. So, right on.
Yeah, it's just the planetary gears inside the differential.
So the gears in there blew. All right.
This is not supposed to wobble and fish around like that.
Nope.
So we definitely tore some gears up in there. I got one more screw to go and then we'll have it open.
Dun, 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 dun. So this is the rear diff out of a Force RC Outbreak 1/10 scale. Original. What did we see?
This shaft should not be wobbling around in there like that.
Dude, hold that towards the light. Tip it towards the light. There you go.
So I'm guessing.
Wiggle that. Oh, look at that.
That
ain't right.
It tore up the hole in this differential gear.
Wallowed it out.
And these gears on this gear are chewed up. You can see the teeth are just chewed off.
Bad truck. Bad truck. Ooh.
Hey,
look at that. Alright, so that new differential fit right in that we got for him. Just slides right on in. Ding. And it's in. That's it.
Like it was made for it.
Oh, we need to goober it. Yay, goobers. Goobers. Goober grease. What you doing, Larry?
Trying to take the screw out that Jimmy put in the wrong place.
Trying to fix my fuck up.
There, I got it.
Hey, you got it?
Look at that, I'm good for something.
Right on. Alright. That bitch is back together. Finally. Hard to work on. Got the different Traxxas radio in there. Linked to, so he's got multiple trucks on the one radio. We got the 6-pack monster truck tires. We got new gears. All inside pretty much. All new grease. Got the gear lash setting correctly. We've got a charged battery in there. We got the speed controller programmed. What do you think it's going to do, Larry?
Now I get to take it out and break it.
Right on, I'm going to break it.
Ain't nothing waterproof about it.
Alright, we're about to see if all the new gears and everything worked on it. What do you think, Larry? What is it going to do?
Well, I'm crossing my legs because I can't cross my fingers.
Alright, well, let's see.
Here we go. Ready, set?
Go. Whoa!
I got no front wheel drive.
Huh?
I got no front wheel drive.
Bad truck.
Piece of shit.
Bad truck. Ooh.
Hey,
Look at that. What? What's that truck like?
It's a piece of shit. I mean, really?
What do we have to get now?
We did all this work to it to rebuild the rear end, and we went completely through this truck, end to end, top to bottom. Had it completely destroyed, put it back together, and then the first time I take it out to run it, an axle shaft universal snaps and got no front wheel drive. I mean, really? You people actually, what the hell are you thinking? Thank you very much.
Alright, today we're going to be running some cheap-ass RC cars and destroying them.
Look at the camera.
Because that's what my lad and Derry do.
My lad and Derry? That one's going in. But anyway, so he's given us permission to take it out in the dark, icy, snowy, wet road and break it. Is that right?
Destroy it if you must.
If we
Because
must.
if you don't, I'm gonna.
We have to go this way, right? Ready to swing the camera that way?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yeah,
There's a
that's
start.
what it's
Okay.
good for.
Bad
Forced
truck.
Piece of shit.
Bad truck. Ooh.
Well, hey,
Look at
yeah.
that. There we go.
Thing's a piece of shit. I believe you are. It's like a sport.
Are you
It's like a sport shit over me.
No, not yet.
The tree. The tree.
Oh, that's... No. I know what we can do.
What can we do?
Yep. Fucking battery died.
Really, already?
Here, well. It's gonna fall right there. I'm gonna throw it up and it's gonna fall right there. Maybe on the wheels. I didn't hear anything break.
Oh,
It's actually
What?
beeping.
let me stomp on it.
Uh-oh, it's beeping.
It's gonna blow up.
Oh, yeah, it broke. Hold on.
It's wet.
Oh, yeah, it broke.
Where?
Oh, yeah. Good job, Jimmy.
Oh, there went the axle.
Yep.
Okay.
Good job. Kick it again.
Wait, can I smash it?
Well, wait.
Step on it.
Wait.
No, I get to smash it.
Well, you might hurt your ankle.
Yeah, the more stronger people can do that. Can do it.
You gonna hit it too, Will? Why not? There you go.
Yeah.
There you go, there you go.
There. You're
Now my
done.
turn.
Fucking
Bad
horse
truck.
Piece of shit.
Bad truck. Ooh.
Well, hey,
Look at
there. That's a good one.
Wait. Try not to hit the electronics.
Yeah.
Okay? It broke. It's broken.
Jesus Christ.
It's broken. Wait.
It's like a beating somebody up for money.
Ready?
There.
Why is it rusting in pieces?
It's a piece of shit. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Put some screws in it. So it's,
It works. Look it.
hey, you know my hand's under there.
Oh. I'm sorry, dude. Sorry, Larry.
Wait, good.